Hey, how's it going, dudes? Welcome to another Aspie chef from Aspie with Attitude. You're right now watching an autistic YouTube content creator channel. Just to introduce myself, my name is David. I'm from Melbourne, Australia. I have autism, Asperger's syndromes, and that's why I call myself an Aspie, and that's why I call this cook-off series the Aspie Chef. So, dudes, what will be on the menu for tonight? I will tell you something, dudes. It's going to be garlic and lime prawn stir fry, which is actually inspired by Thailand. So I'm going to be doing Thai food for tonight when I'm making this Aspie Chef video. And this is a cook-off, and I must show you the raw ingredients right now. Just before I get started on cooking the garlic and lime prawn stir fry, I'll show you what I have here, dudes. This is a bottle of lime zesty juice there. Yeah, something I must have to flavour it, alongside with fish sauce, and I've got the tamari soy sauce. And I'm going to actually be using peanut oil for this one, as a disclaimer. This is for those who have nut allergies. And not only that, for those who have nut allergies, but also there's people with seafood allergies as well. So if you've got nut allergies and seafood allergies, I suggest you stop watching that video right now. If you don't, let's continue on. So I've got a tin of pineapple pieces. Something I want to really put into my stir fry. Never use pineapple in any of my Aspie chefs. So I've got the capsicum, but also plus I've got another fruit, which is the lime. And for the seasoning, definitely got a coriander. And I'll be kneading the garlic. That's what's called garlic lime prawns there. And also brown sugar's going to be needed for marinade. And definitely will be needing for Singapore noodles for this one. And one important vegetable are the spring onions or the green onions. Something that I'll be using there. And I've never ever used prawns in any of my Aspie Chef videos at that time. And there you have it, here's all the ingredients. Let's continue on with cooking, shall we? Well, there you have it, dudes. This is something I'm going to have for a nice fine taste of Thailand. So without any further ado, I want to get started cooking, and please come along and cook with me. Let's cook for garlic and lime prawn stir fry all the way from Thailand. Here we go! One by one, I'm going to unshell each of the prawns, removing its head and its veins, and I'm referring to its digestive tract, and I'm going to still keep its tail. For my prawn marinade, I need to cut half a cup worth of fresh coriander. I'm going to whisk together 2 tablespoons worth of lime juice, 3 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of tamari soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, and add half a cup of fresh coriander. Once it's all whisked together, I'm going to add the mix into the prawns, coat it, and leave it for 30 minutes to be marinated. In that time that I'm waiting for my prawns to marinate, I will chop and I'll cut into strips the red capsicum. I am also going to drain the tinned pineapple. I'll be using the scissors to cut 6 or 7 strips of spring onions into 5cm strip, and I'll put together with red capsicum. Then I'll chop whatever's left of the coriander, the fresh one, all into one bowl. Well, here we go, dudes. I'm almost finished marinating my prawns. Here we go, only 1 second to go. Well, it's been done, dudes. All done. Woo! I'll show this, dudes. This is half an hour after I had been marinating these prawns for my stir fry. And I think I'm just ready to cook. Here we go, dudes. Let's start cooking. Well, to begin, I just need to grab a saucepan. I've just filled it up with water and gonna get gas going, dudes. The one thing I like to do is adding some peanut oil in there, and I'll add the peanut oil in there as well. Gonna get this one fired up as well. So I've got this on high heat, and then once it's actually fired up, I can start really cooking then. Now I've got a pan fired up. I'm going to turn it down to medium heat. And something else I want to put in there is dough. Well, since now I've got vegetables pretty much cooking. And one thing I want to add in is some garlic. And just plenty of it. And give this good stir fry. Something else I want to add in there is the pineapple. Okay dudes, the reason for capsicum and pineapple is I just really want to get colours into it. If I want to add more sweetness in the pineapple, add some salt. Now that the water's boiling, according to pack instructions, I'm actually going to have to turn this down. And what I like to do is, I'm going to clear this and just going to really boil it now. And what I'm supposed to be doing now is, here we go. We're adding the prawns then. And you know it's going to turn pink. And together with the marinade as well. Here we go dudes, 1 minute's passed and got to keep stirring this noodles. Here we go. I'll turn up the heat a bit because like really want the prawns to cook. Well, here we go. This is all going to drain out while I'm going to still cook this. And the coolest thing is, it's really turned pink. And here we go, for more flavouring, I'm just going to add more of that. And a little bit more lime juice there. Give that a good stir. And something else I'm going to put in there too is a lot more in there. The reason I added more soy sauce is so it can be all over the noodles, dudes. Alright, here we go. This is just about ready now. Grab as much noodles as I can. And that's what I use this thing for. Oh yes, absolutely loving it. This is nothing like what I did on Aspie Chef ever. And I've got a serving spoon. So the idea is, I've got to get a lot of meat and veggies onto the noodles. This is actually real taste of Thailand here. And I'm going to sprinkle coriander all the way around. Anyway, there you have it dudes. This is going to be the exotic taste of Thailand done by Aspie with attitude. I think it's time to sit down and eat. Well dudes, just finally finished cooking what I've wanted for dinner tonight, which is garlic and lime prawns. So I had put a lot of garlic and not to forget the lime. And just definitely got to have one prawn before I sign off. So if you like what I'm doing there, please why not subscribe to Aspie with Attitude. That's all I ever ask for in terms of support. And also, please don't forget to ring this notification bell if you want to keep up to date with Aspie with Attitude. And also, please don't forget to like and share this video content around. That way, you're showing more support for this channel, Aspie with Attitude, particularly doing these cook-off videos. In the description down below, always leave a full playlist of all my previous Aspie Chef videos that I've done. Since I'm very heavily into doing real gourmet cooking at home, this is just my type of thing. And like I say, peace and respect. See you next time. I'm going to finish eating before it turns cold. Anyway, that's the end of this Aspie Chef. Cheers dudes, bon appetit.